Did you know you could use Ubuntu and Windows 11 on the same PC? And there's no complicated setup, no extra laptop needed, and here's how to do it. So first thing you want to do is to install the Ubuntu using WSL. So just enable the WSL or the turn Windows features on and off in the start menu and open it and check the boxes for the Windows subsystem for Linux and virtual machine platform. Click OK and restart your computer if you're prompted. Then you want to install the Ubuntu. Just open your PowerShell or command prompt as an administrator and run the command WSL install, and then you want to set up your user. So after the installation completes, open the Ubuntu app from the start menu and follow the prompts to create a username and a password. And here's another option. You can dual boot Ubuntu and Windows. Just back up your data, disable the fast startup, create a partition, create a bootable USB, and boot from that USB by restarting your computer and entering the BIOS. Then simply install the Ubuntu app or the platform itself. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.